are just human trying to live life full of love and inspiration. There are times that we want to give up, but we have plans for us to survive. Yeah, but loving a family is endless. The people we choose to be, working for family is priceless. It's an achievement to me. It's not too late for trying. It is normal to fail. We should learn from a failure. All of the days and the nights I've wasted my time for looking a job. Now I'm tired enough, still fight for my life. When we call the love for even the struggles we come along. Unemployed people is trying to find job permanently, not just temporary. There are times that we get a job that's unrelated of what we study. Ang ating buhay ay sadyang ganyan. Mga pagsubok ay laging nandyan. Kabigo ay dapat naranasan upang problema ay malagpasan. You turn your back on tomorrow, for every day is a chance. I gave all my efforts to cope up, but effort is still not enough. You can expect me to be fine, I don't expect them to care. I don't upset it before, but all of my burdens burn down. I'm using my time in supporting my loved ones for paradise. Still dream for that time where there is no limit. Even there's injuries we can survive. There may be rich man better than poor man, living in a world that's full of problems. Poverty's one of our major problems that we are facing in this world. Ang ating buhay ay sadyang ganyan. Mga pagsubok ay laging nandyan. Kabigo ay dapat maranasan upang problema ay malagpasan. Kaya huwag kang susuko.
Yeah, we hope that thing sa diskarte ang Pinoy ay magaling. Kahit may balakid man na dumating, balang araw magbubunga din lahat ng tinanim. Mga problema dumadating na parang patong-patong, na parang bang bagyo na humampas sa barong-barong. Pero dapat ay bumangon, ba't ikay nadadapa? Mga balakid sa daan na dapat ay malagpasan. Gobyerno, nasabi nyo ay merong pagbabago, ngunit hanggang ngayon wala pa rin kaming trabaho. Nakalimutan nyo pangako nyo sa mga tao. Asan sa mga yan ang sinasabing pagbabago?
We are just human trying to live life full of love and inspiration. There are times that we want to give up, but we have plans for us to survive. Ang ating buhay ay sadyang ganyan. Mga pagsubok ay laging nandyan. Kabigo ay dapat maranasan upang problema ay malagpasan. Kaya huwag kang susuko. But loving a family is endless. The people we choose to be, working for family is priceless. It's an achievement to me. It's not too late for trying. It is normal to fail. We should learn from a failure. All of the days and the nights I've wasted my time for looking a job. Now I'm tired enough, still fight for my life. life when